to Anae Spooner channel, and today I'm doing something really exciting. I am unboxing the LOL Big Surprise, and this comes with 50 surprises. And I'm also unboxing this Jumbo Pygmy Pop. I am both obsessed right now with LOL Surprise and Pygmy Pops, and I'm so excited because I just found out that they had these both in Target. So if you want to get it, you can just look in Target and they might have it. But these were really expensive. And let's get on to first. I'm going to unbox the big LOL Surprise. And see, it has 50 surprises. Okay, let's see this thing. This is huge. If you don't see, let me just hold it up. This is huge. It comes with fizzes and limited edition. Wow. This is going to be awesome. Ugh, sometimes it doesn't work. Just pull it. Okay. There we go. Now we just have to open this big part of the LOL Surprise. That to the side. Now this is the fun part. Oh, wow. Like a big... Okay, so I just opened the top and oh my gosh. Look at all of these. Okay, so this is like a lot of LOL surprises. And first it comes with this thing. Oh, we have the little sisters now. So we're just getting started. Okay, so there's a bunch of these little, 10 surprises. So we have to open up these 10 surprises. So we have to open all of these. Okay, I opened up one and look what I found. They're adorable shorts with some sparkles on them. That's so cute. The next one, and it is a purple vest. And these are clothes of the little babies. There's another vest. Oh, wow. Now we have a super sparkly. There's more glittery stuff. This is a cute sparkly shirt, and it's even getting on my finger. Okay, we're almost done. So this is what I have next. Some pink boots, some purple roller skates, little necklace. Finally, the last of the 10 surprises, we have these purple glittery boots. Look at all this mess right here. We're going to open this top. Oh, this is the bath fizzies with the charms inside. I don't do the fizzies yet, but I am going to take these out. And what I'm super excited for are these big sisters and little sisters. So it comes with 2 little sisters, and I think these are limited edition, but I don't know. And these are the big sisters. So I'm probably going to open this one first. The first layer is this, second layer. Now it's time to open the third. They're kind of hard to open, especially with one hand. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so what's this one? Okay, let's open up this. This is so cute. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a glittery baby because just look at this. Then there's this one. So these are the little shoes. Thank you very much. Okay, you're welcome. Let's open up the last layer. Ooh. Is oh, she's so cute. She is glittery and she has hooped earrings. Wow, she's adorable. She also comes with a little phone. What does this say? Purple tears. Oh, she's listening to songs. So here is this diva fully dressed. And here is the second big sister. She is a rock star just like the other one, and she is very sparkly. Baby is Dancing Queen. Open this one up. Open some of these blind bags. Comes these cute shoes. Lightning strike purse, sparkly. Baby, and it's sisters with this one. So the next baby is sisters of this one. And it also comes with a diamond bag and these huge sunglasses. I am done unboxing the LOL Big Surprise. It comes with 50 surprises. Now it is time to unbox the Jumbo Pygmy Pop plush. This is a sweet scented jumbo plush, and you could already see in here that I got Huddy the fluffy bunny, and he's probably going to smell like blueberries. He's so cute. And you could see at the top, you can see his cute little face. And it comes with, you will find 3 surprise charms. Okay. And there's 3 Jumbo Pygmy Pops to collect. I am starting to open it up. I already unwrapped the outside. Now it's just time to pop it open. I just opened it up, and you could smell it all the way from a mile. I mean, this is so huge. And inside it has a little note, which we will go ahead and read. It says, Huddy the bunny, and it smells like blueberries. Let's get this open. Okay, so it's blueberry. Have a hoppy day. So it's a bunny, and this is really cute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this out. Okay, compared to my small Pygmy Pop, look how big this is. Oh, you can use this as a pillow. This is so fluffy, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Whoa.